Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. Today I will show you how you can easily integrate the sponsor Paymaster API on your front end and on a different ZK chain, the sponsor Paymaster from Zyfi. So with this sponsor Paymaster, you can enable user to pay with any token as gas and to enjoy any off-chain custom sponsorship logic. So for example, if you are a DApp or a DeFi application, you want to offer gas to your users, or you want to offer gas for specific users, for example, some NFT holders, or you want to offer gas for specific traders, you can do everything you have in mind with this sponsor Paymaster API. So I will do a quick tutorial in this video with an under approval function, and I will transform this simple under approval function in a gasless way. So you will not pay any gas when you will do this approval during this video. Just to explain you, Zyfi have two different paymasters. You have the ERC20 paymaster. So this paymaster lets you use it to pay with any token as gas. There are more than 80 tokens supported as gas at Zyfi, and you also have this sponsor paymaster who let you pay with any token as gas as well, and also this different type of sponsorship logic. So the tutorial and the steps to do that and to be able to offer gasless transaction, gasless experience to your users is really straightforward, and it's composed of five big steps. So the first steps is to deposit ETH, because you will need to pay at the end the gas in ETH. So you will need to deposit this ETH in a Vault contract. So here is the address of the Vault contract on ZKsync Era mainnet. So as we are on the ZKsync and we support the ZK stack, Zyfi have also this contract deployed on all ZK chain who are deployed with the ZK stack. So for example, you have Chrono ZK EVM mainnet, Chrono ZK EVM testnet. You have also Abstract testnet, and more to come with the different ZK stack who are launching by the end of the year, and in the different and the ongoing years we will arrive. So it's really simple to integrate this sponsored paymaster on your front end. After you have deposited some ETH in your Vault contract, you will need to have an API key connected to the Vault balance. So this you will need to ask to the Zyfi team to have this API key and to integrate this API key in the API request. After, you need to collect the transaction payloads and the API request, post API request, receive back the quote and the transaction payload for the user to sign. And during this tutorial, I will go through the three big steps. The first one is to send the API request. So you'll need to send this API request to ERC20 sponsor paymaster endpoint. If you want to understand exactly how this API works, you can go to the API documentation here. And on your front end, you will need to have just two big things in the API call. It's define the payload. So in this payload, you will have different parameters. The first one will be the chain ID. It depends on the network where you are. For us, it will be 3 to 4 because we are on ZKsync Era mainnet. After, you have the fee token address. So these are the all token you want to enable for user to pay the gas with. For example, if you want to enable your user to pay with ZK token, USDT, USDC, you need to put this ZK contract of a different token here. You have also the sponsorship ratio. For example, if you put 100 here, you will fully sponsor the gas for your users, and you will not to pay anything as gas, so he will not be able to pay the gas. So it's quite good for him, and it will not be mandatory to put a fee token address here. You will be able to command directly these parameters. And after, you have the replay limit. So replay limit, it's an optional parameter, is default set of 5. It's regarding the number of nonce you keep the signature valid of your end users. And here you have the transaction data. And after, you need to define the function to perform the post request. So it's a really simple post request to the ERC20 sponsor paymaster. So this API, you can, as a quick reminder, check the API documentation here. don't forget to put your API key. After, you can show the code to the users, so you will have different return and different value that you can show in the UI directly. So you have token address, token price, FUSD, markup, protocol address, and all of this stuff. And you can directly, after you have the transaction, the signature from the user, you can directly execute the transaction. So in this video, I will just do a simple project. So I've already used the ZKsync CLI provided by ZKsync. You can directly check and create new project and new front end really easily with this CLI from directly the ZKsync docs. So from there, I've just built a really simple front end. And in this really simple front end, you have like different import to do do this this API call, and you need to define the answer for the API. And here you can directly create the on-chain task you want, the on-chain task you want to transform in a gasless way. So for example, here I have created this function, an under approval with a token address, a contract address, and an approval amount. So the token address will be the token I want to approve. The contract address will be the account I want to approve with, and the approval amount is the amount I want to approve to this token. And it's really simple when you have decided what type of on-chain action you want to transform in a gasless way. You just need to after find the API payload. So if to define the API payload, so here with the different parameter, you can see that I have commented the fee token address because I will sponsor and offer a full gasless approval to my end users, will be me. So sponsorship ratio is 100. The replay limit it's set by default on 5. Takes data. And after, you just need to do the post request here. So you just need to put the endpoint of the ERC to sponsor Paymaster here. You need to don't forget about the API key given by the Zyfi team. And after you stock the API answer and send the transaction to MetaMask for signature by the end users. And when he accepts, this transaction will be executed on the blockchain directly. And on my front end, I've just adapted a bit. So here I've just created a simple approval form with my token address, my contract address, and my approval amount. So here I just need to NPN render here, and I will have my here my front end will appear. I just need to copy paste. Perfect. So I just need to connect my wallet. So here, so for example, I have my wallet here created for this video. I have the token address, the contract address, and the amount. So for the token address, it will be really simple. So for example, I want to approve this token, ZK Swap Finance token. So I will just take this contract address here, and I will put the token address here. The contract address will be my account, and the amount, it will be the amount I want to approve to this token. And when I will click to approve here, I will have the MetaMask pop-up with the Paymaster parameter inside. So for example, here I have an approval and I have my Paymaster input here. So when I will sign this will directly send the transaction to the blockchain, and I will enjoy a gasless approval because it will not be my account. So 2074, we will pay for this transaction. So here I have validated and signed this approval, gasless approval. So I just need to go on the network, on the scan. I just need to copy paste my address here. And for example, I have a transaction hash here for an approval for the ZF token. So here I have my account, so 2074, but is not involved in any action you can see here. And as you can see, you have the 1496 here, which is directly perfectly matched with this address because it's the Vault contract who pay the transaction for me. So I've directly enjoyed a gasless approval thanks to the Zyfi sponsor Paymasters. So directly this Vault contract pay to the Paymaster contract, and I've just enjoyed a gasless approval. So this is a quick video and a quick tutorial how you can do exactly the same for your DApp on all ZK chain. So for example, if you want to do that on Chronos ZK VM, on Abstract Testnet, or on ZKsync Era mainnet, you can. So directly with the Zyfi implementation. I hope this video was good for you. And yes, I'm saying you goodbye and see you in the next one.